Hello, Anthony Jacquin here, hypnotist from the United Kingdom, here with my friend Pradeep Aggarwal.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to England. We're here in Derbyshire and we're making plans for our forthcoming event in your hometown of
Hyderabad on 8th and 9th of June.
Yeah, 8th and 9th of June. So this is a 2-day workshop. I will be leading most of the first day, teaching my approach to hypnotism, how to hypnotize anytime and anywhere. It's going to be packed full of techniques. On the second day, my father Freddy Jacquin will be teaching the best of our tools for helping people change the way they think, the way they feel, the way they live, how happy they are. And as a special bonus, there is an extra event on the evening of the 8th where a friend of mine, Marcus Lewis, part of Head Hacking, will be teaching his approach to hypnotism and magic and mystery performance and how to mix those things together. So I'm looking forward to it.
Wonderful. And you will have a lot of fun with the Indian food with a lot of chilies.
Yes, I'm looking forward to some Indian food.
And now the seats are already full since we announced the workshop.
Yeah.
Still, if you are really interested, call my office. We can excuse 1 or 2 seats for you. And the workshop is more than full. And I'm really enjoying with them. A lot of learning new techniques, and I learned a lot of things from Anthony in the past. And you'll have a lot of fun. So please, if you have not yet registered, call my office. You may not get the seat, but call them. Request them. We can manage 1 or 2 seats for you. So looking forward to seeing you on 8th morning, 8:30 in Hyderabad, Hotel Pearl Residency. In Hotel Ashoka. And we'll have a lot of fun. Thank you very much.
See you there. Just a few places left.
Yeah. Come. See you.